What is on the go, guys? This is like Grizzly Cave episode 3, 4. Oh no, I can't really count that high. Anyways, so I think we left off somewhere last episode, maybe, not sure, with my Grizzly. It wouldn't start. For life of us, me and John, check this little guy out here. The solenoid, we thought we ruined him, but we never. The problem is, why I wouldn't start is because I wasn't really using it very much. Unfortunately, to get at the battery, I want to check to see if the screws were tight or not. You have to take off this lovely N2 Deep snorkel plate and get right down and around at the battery. It's a pain, such a pain to get at the battery, but thankfully, again, John's brain, you know, he's always working, always thinking. We got these lovely battery extender right here that is connected to my battery tender. So I'm gonna keep it on that for now on, even after runs, even when I'm gonna be using her a lot. John is going home end of May, which is great. I can't wait till he goes home because he's gonna bring back his Grizzly and we're gonna be going on runs. And you guys love our run videos. So yeah, look how dirty it is. I need to clean out in here too and get these cleaned out. Alright guys, so Brandon just dropped off his Grizzly right there. We're putting in a clutch job. Clutch is on this side. White spring, I think we're putting 8 16-gram weights in so we can spin those bad boys. That's what he wanted to put in there, and a 1mm shim. It's gonna be fun doing that tonight with John and get her done. I really like his rims and I like the 30s on the Grizzly. They look nice compared to my 28s. I kind of do like them thinner. I got really big beefy back tires on mine, so yeah. Look at this lineup. 2019 Grizzly, 2016 Grizzly with his middle finger up. This is a really nice bike. I like this here.
Oh, it shows the temp.
Yeah. Also, boys, check this out here. I know a lot of people don't care about my Jeep, but I like it. Shout out to NL Light Bars for these 35-inch tires. They look deadly. This furthest I ran in a while. This furthest I ran in a while.
Where you running?
To you.
What?
I don't know. Beats me. Alright, let's get at the clutch. Get her done.
Do we?
Any words to say before we start, John?
No.
Alright.
No words.
No words. Well, John.
How many kilometers on that one? Shiny. A lot of that's like new.
This is actually a dream to work on this bike. It's kind of weird. We're used to working around mud, other weird
wires,
burnt wires, unidentifiable stuff.
Plugins.
Onions?
Plugins.
Onions.
Yeah, unidentifiable onions, yeah.
Yeah, tons of onions in them.
I was like, why in the on there? Putting on backwards.
There she is, boys. She's going back on. 5 minutes later. Put a finger down if you record a little video and there's music in the background, so you're gonna get copyright claimed on YouTube. So you're gonna redo the video. Well, anyways, boys, she's getting put back on. Like I said to John a minute ago, only took us 5 minutes to do all that work. Yeah.
Pass over the clutch. Actually, I'll get it because I need to get the other tank and put it together.
Wow.
Beautiful. Where's our shim?
What did he do with the shim?
Is that Buddy's shim, the other guy? Where's the other shim? We almost threw it in the garbage. It works.
It's butter. That's it, boys. We're pretty much done. John, bye. I'm not gonna lie, we're getting pretty swift with these now. Oh, boys, she's here. You don't need no room to unload your bike, bye.
I want to go into that.
No, she's finally here. Yeah, gonna join the Blackwater gang now. These aren't Blackwaters, but everything that isn't silverbacks or assassinators are Blackwaters. Everything. There you go. Nice little pathway now.
Wants to do the back right, because that's rusted.
Yeah. And
cool.
thanks for watching the channel, boys. Alright, guys, so that's the episode of number 4, Grizzly Cave. Hopefully there's not gonna be a 5th one so soon and we'll go on a run, but who knows. They're still great videos, I think.
Yep. Well, the Grizzly's finally in there now, so we gotta get a bit of maintenance done. Wheel bearing changed, some back brakes because I have 0. The off-road Dan Grizzly needs some rear hub bushings. So hopefully this Saturday we're gonna get all that done. And then hopefully get on some runs next week and do some exploring of some new places maybe. Who knows?
Hopefully.
Anyways, make sure you like, comment, subscribe as always, and check out Off-Road Dan and Muddy Mills on Instagram, and we'll see you again.
Peace out, guys.